A man driving his pickup truck on a country track saw a woman carrying a heavy load. He stopped and offered her a lift. The woman expressed her gratitude and climbed into the back of the truck. A moment later, the man noticed a strange thing because the woman was still holding onto her heavy load despite sitting in the vehicle. Astonished, he pleaded, "Please, madam, put down your load and take your rest. My car can carry you and your stuff. Just relax." What do we do with the load of fear, worry, and anxiety we often carry as we go through life's many challenges? Jesus said, "Come to me, all you who are weary and burdened, and I will give you rest." We put down our burdens when we bring them to the Lord in prayer. The Apostle Peter says, "Cast all your anxiety on Jesus because He cares for you." Because He cares for us, we can rest and relax as we learn to trust Him. Instead of carrying heavy loads that weigh us down and weary us, we can give them to the Lord and let Him carry. Another day, another life lesson.